guys, it's your girl Cynthia. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing slash review and first impressions on Boxy Chram. So this box is for February 2019. I've been subscribed for Boxy Chram around, let's say, 5 months, and I've been pretty content on the products I've gotten. So in this box, I know for sure I would have gotten a Better Than Sex mascara, a primer, and either a highlight or bronzer. Hoping more for a highlight. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this box is Afterglow. So in this box, I am getting 5 products. Yes, 5 products. I had to count them. 5 products. So let's go ahead and start with the first thing on the list. So the first thing is a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So it does say it has tree extract that sets volume, mild film forming polymers, lock your lashes into a perfect curl. So this is what it looks like. It's a pretty heavy mascara, to be honest, compared to other traditional mascaras. Its value is $24, which for me is a little crazy for a mascara, I would say. I've worked in the beauty industry for around 2 years and I've never actually tried one of these, because for me, pretty much any mascara won't really make a miracle because I have really small lashes. So I'd just rather get something inexpensive because, again, I don't really see a difference. But I'm excited to try it for the first time. I know a lot of people go in the store and say, oh, I want the Better Than Sex mascara, it's so good. So let's see if it's actually good. So it does have an hourglass shaped wand, which I'm excited to see how it would work with my lashes. So let's go ahead and try this on. Under this side to the side. For me personally, the brush is a little too big because I'm already getting it on my eyelid. Alright guys, so the second product is this Touch in Sol No Pore Blem Primer. It retails for $18, which is not bad for a primer. Usually high-end primers are around $38, almost $40, so it's not a bad price. And it does say it has green tea and collagen, and it blurs your pores and wrinkles, which is something everybody pretty much wants. Yeah, so let's try this out. I'm excited to try this one out. And it does say it's made in Korea. So I'm going to take around maybe a pump and a half. Gonna heat it up and generally pat on the areas I'm more prone for pores and wrinkles. It's applying very smoothly. Can definitely feel the silkiness. It settles into the skin very quickly, but it's very soft at touch. So that's something nice because I am more to the drier side. I'm just going to go ahead and apply my foundation and we'll move on to the next product. Alright, so third thing is going to be a Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlight. So it has a light reflecting of pearlescent pigments, and it says it gives your skin the perfect amount of brightness. So pretty much it looks like this. It's a nice packaging, and its retail value is $32. If you're being honest, for $32, I would think it would be like better packaging, but maybe the product is really good. So I actually got a highlight, so I'm happy about that. It does have like a pink and then a golden undertone. Swatch this so you can see it. It's not super light reflecting, but in certain angles you can see the pink and then you can see the yellow. So I'm gonna grab my Real Techniques fan brush. Does have a lot of fallout though. Let's see that glow. It has a lot of fallout, but it does seem to apply it very nicely. Just dipping in once. A little on the forehead. I'm gonna grab a little shader brush and I grab some of that highlight and pop it in the inner corner of my eyes. So overall, it's a really nice highlighter, but for $32, maybe not so. The next product would be this Tristique, what is it? A Prime Plus Glaze Lip Crayon. So what's cool about it is it literally doesn't have a cap, because this looks like it would be the product, but it's not. And it does say right here that it has a primer. Super tiny, super cute. You can pop that in there. And then the lipstick. I would have thought it would have been like this, but it's more of a weird triangle shape. It's like a rosy red color. It does have a magnetic cap, so that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and apply the primer. Almost feels like you're not applying anything. It's not moisturizing. A little bit. And then you go in with the lippy. So it retails for $25, which is an okay reasonable price because it is a 2-in-1. It does have the primer, and again, it has a glaze. So it just pretty much says it's a very glide on. It creates a super smooth canvas, which it does because I can easily glide my lips and not feel chapped or dry. And it does leave a soft, shiny color. And the last thing would be this Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. So it does say it does take off dirt, oil, impurities, grime, and makeup, which is great because sometimes I don't want to do the two-step, which is take off the makeup and cleanse. So it's meant for gentle skin, daily use. So it does have natural ingredients like coconut, sugar, amino acids, camille, aloe and licorice root. It values for $22. I'm wondering if this is the full sized for $22. It seems pretty small. Just curious how it smells. It has a smell, not too strong. You can definitely smell the camille. It's a pretty creative name to call it Clean Bee. So I'm excited to try this out with this makeup and see if it actually does take off. Okay, so here I have the cleanser with some water. Take off this makeup. Smell it. Check the lipstick off. I'm gonna go wash this off and I'll be right back. Makeup free. So it did seem to take off my makeup pretty good. The only thing not so much was the mascara. I still have some lumps on there. But other than that, it did a pretty good job. I don't smell it anymore, and my skin feels soft, not dehydrated, without any moisturizer. Just good. Yeah. Alright, you guys, so this is everything in the box. So 5 items, and it's only $21, which is not a bad price because it itself is $24. So if you're not subscribed to Boxy Chram, I would definitely recommend you to subscribe. I'm excited for next month's Boxy Lux box. I did upgrade to that one, and yeah, I'm excited to incorporate these in my daily routine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. That would really mean a lot to me. And if you have any comments, any requests, don't be afraid and leave them down below. And I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!